Let me guess, you have seen an AI roadmap that looks amazing. Great colors, nice timeline, very confident arrows going in the future. But in the end, nothing useful. That's because most of the AI roadmaps are just a wish list in the timeline. In this video, I will show you how to build an AI roadmap that actually works, what it should include, what it must never include, and how to build an AI roadmap that actually survives the reality. No hype, no fake certainty. Let's start. First of all, let us clarify the difference between AI roadmap and classic roadmap. The classic roadmap assumes that the requirements are clear, the output is predictable, and the delivery to the productive environment is success. However, AI roadmap breaks all 3 points. With AI, you don't know before if the data you have are good enough. You don't know if the customer will trust the output, and you don't even know if the problem is solvable. But the most of the AI roadmaps says by the end of the quarter 3, you will have the full automation. This is not confidence, this is prediction. The most important difference to the classic roadmap, AI roadmap is not the delivery plan, AI roadmap is learning plan. The real job of an AI roadmap is to answer 3 questions. What problems are we betting on? What do we learn as next? And do we stop if it doesn't work? If your AI roadmap cannot answer these questions, it's just decoration. Now let us do it together, and we will create now a simple AI roadmap based on structure. For the first, you need to create a horizontal axis. This is our timeline. Divide this into the 3 sections. Now, next, later. No quarters, no exact delivery dates, because AI roadmap hates this. Afterwards, provide 4 layers. The first layer is the problem. No solutions, no models, only problems. Let me provide you some examples. Menu review takes too long. Forecast is unreliable. Or support agents spend the most of the time for analyzing instead of helping customers. These should be stable, business relevant, and easy to explain. When your problems start, we need to implement, you already lost. The next layer is experiments. This is exactly where the learning happens. Each experiment should answer just one question. For example, is the data usable? Is the output good enough, or do users trust it? Therefore, it's important that each experiment is small, cheap, fast, and easy to kill. If it's not an option that an experiment fails, then this is not experiment. In this case, it's a decision pretending to be a science. And here we are, the third layer, pilot or MVP. Based on my personal experience, this is where the most of the teams jump too early. In AI, pilot means human is in the loop. Real workflow, real users, but with limited scope. The most important point is here to provide the value, not the accuracy of the model. And when the user doesn't trust, don't use the model, or want to ignore this, the pilot failed. And voila, the last layer, scale or kill. Only initiatives that provided value, have clear ownership, have also metrics, have the right to be here. And yes, your AI roadmap should also include the things which were stopped. This is not the failure, this is a competence. At least now you see on your first draft version of AI roadmap the empty boxes. To each box, you need to put the name, owner, and learning goal or success metrics. Nothing else, no details, no architecture decisions. This doesn't belong on the roadmap. Let me summarize what you should never put on your AI roadmap. This is exact fixed launch date, as I mentioned in the beginning of this tutorial. Also fully automated, because before you don't know if it will be or not. The guaranteed performance, what you can also predict this in ahead, as I mentioned in the beginning in the video. So please avoid all these mistakes before you create your first AI roadmap. One of the criteria for a successful AI roadmap is not to predict the future. The goal is here to make uncertainty visible, to turn learnings into the progress, and protect the teams for fake commitments. Or just in other words, the classic roadmap promises outcome. However, AI roadmap just manages the risks. When your AI roadmap prevents you to take the wrong decisions, you're already win. If now you have a better understanding how to create a successful and useful AI portfolio, like the video, subscribe not to miss further interesting topics around the AI, and put in the comment what is currently on your AI roadmap, what are you not 100% confident about.